Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
I wish you a very happy Women's Day to all the incredible women. Women fill the world with their love, care, and compassion. All that a woman needs is to be loved and appreciated. A woman is a personification of love, strength, and beauty. All through her existence should be celebrated every day, but to mark her contributions, we have International Women's Day dedicated to her. This day is celebrated to observe women's success and part in cultural, political, social, and economic development. It is also acknowledged to make people aware of women's rights and the gender equality. So, ahead of the special day, here we are with its history and significance. International Women's Day is celebrated on March 8th of every year. It is the day for praising women who work hard every day to accomplish individual and professional goals. To observe this day, different events takes place including movements or march across the global. There are some countries where women are not treated equally, so in these countries protests are observed for the liberation of women. For many people, the role of women is limited to household chores only. However, this need to change as women deserve equal freedoms and opportunity in everything like men. The world is moving towards gender equality. It is moving towards a balance between both men and women. A change is required and is also essential. It is observed that men have had more advantages in every sphere of life in comparison to women since ages. However, this needs a change as well as all are humans and should be treated equally with equal rights and opportunities. On International Women's Day, everyone appreciates the women in their lives. Everyone acknowledges the worth and significance of women in their lives and their tremendous contribution to society as well. Best it in professional life or personal life, celebrating women is a sense of obligation to every woman in one's life. International Women's Day is celebrated every year on March 8th as we discussed. In most countries, the day has been observed as a national holiday. Women across the nation come together crossing all the boundaries from various cultural and ethnic groups to remember their struggle for peace, justice, equality and development. International Women's Day is all about feeling self-worth and achieving the goals as per the potential. Besides that, women should gather the courage to cross all the hurdles in all the spheres of life to make a tremendous improvement. It is generally myth in society that women related issues are not a big deal. Many people believe that the gender gaps does not exist in society and efforts by individuals are not enough and cannot bring any change to the gender gap. Women's Day is all about making society realize that each individual has worked differently and changing society towards a better future. Now let us discuss about International Women's Day. International Women's Day IWD is dedicated to celebrating women's achievement in the society, economic, cultural and political space. The day collectively founded by women and also brings attention to gender parity and women's right. Now let us discuss the history of Women's Day and why do we celebrate Women's Day on March 8th. The International Women's Day has a rich history dating back 108 years. The first glimpse of it was in 1909 when the Socialistic Party of America celebrated 15,000 women who protested long work hours, low pay and the lack of voting rights in the New York City. Originally called National Women's Day, the monumental annual celebration spread across the world, officially celebrating in 1911, but it was Russia who unknowingly March 8 trend. Although International Women's Day became an official holiday in Russia in 1913, when women still experienced difficulties caused by WWI while men were off at war. Women dealt with food shortages and the government who wouldn't listen to them. On March 8, 1917, February 23, in the former Russian calendar, tens of thousands of Russian women took to street demanding change. The unified cry for help paved the way of Russian women to be granted voting rights soon after. Now let us discuss the movement in United States. The first National Women's Day was observed in the United States on 28th February. The Socialistic Party of America designated this day in honor of 1908 garment workers' strike in New York, where women protested against working conditions. But the first milestone in USA much earlier in 1948. Indignant over women being barred from speaking at an anti-slavery convention, Americans Elizabeth Cady Stanton and Lucretia Mott congregate a few hundreds of people at their nation's first women's rights convention in New York. Together they demand civil, social, political and religious rights for women in declaring of sentiments and resolutions. A movement is born at this time. Now let us discuss how is International Women's Day celebrated all over the world. International Women's Day is an official holiday in at least 20 countries including Afghanistan, Cuba, Russia, etc. In many of these countries, tradition holds that men honor their mothers, wives, girlfriends and colleagues with flowers and small presents. In other nations, the day is much like a holiday of Mother's Day in which children give gift to their mothers and grandmothers. In other countries, however, like Nepal and China, IWD is a holiday only for women. As for the United States, International Women's Day isn't recognized as the official holiday, although it's been proposed. This does not stop the flurry of lovely celebrations from taking place across the US through as numerous political rallies, business conferences and government and cooperative events happen all across the country to honor the special day and bring together women of all different backgrounds and culture. Now let us discuss what is the power of a woman. A woman is not easily defined. She is beautiful and wild, elegant and controlled. There is no woman like another, and each is radiant in a special and unique way. The ladies in our lives hold a special place in our hearts, and without them we would not have the dream and happiness we do. It is a privilege to celebrate all the magic things that makes a woman so incredibly special. Women's Day is our time to recognize and lift up women across the world. It is a day to take a note of the wonderful contribution women make to society and life as whole. Our sisters, wives, mothers, aunts, cousins and friends, the women who we know, love and adore, we have spaced and raised us to be where we are. The women in leadership position, teachers, role models, game changers, caregivers and forward thinkers, they are an inspiration to all. Each and every day is a unique combination of strength, intelligence, love and beauty. A woman is never ever only single line. She is a glorious swaddle of characteristics and experiences that we have a power to change lives. Across history, women have overcome limitations and have conquered demographical constraints. The women in our lives and beyond contribute towards success and betterment. The sun does not set without their love and contribution. It is important to recognize and appreciate the incredible and dynamic ladies in our lives. Each new day, they are inspiring us in many ways, often difficult to describe. Without these beautiful women, the world would be a dull, empty place. A woman is a hearty combination of positive thoughts, bold colors, unconditional love, and the need to give. She is a timeless and powerful. Let us discuss the meaning of woman. W stands for wonderful, O stands for outstanding, M stands for marvelous, A stands for adorable, N stands for nice. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day. Just wanted to thank you from bottom of my heart for all things you do. Wishing you a day filled with goodness and warmth. On the occasion of March 8th, I wish you happiness, health, success, and prosperity in the years ahead. Thank you. Once again, Happy Women's Day.